Stahlin Enclosures, through its ModRight program, uses a proven combination of technologically advanced equipment and expert in-house capabilities to efficiently achieve wide-ranging modifications for diverse, non-metallic enclosure applications. Among the services provided by ModRight is the ability to accurately and consistently provide required holes and cutouts of various shapes and sizes on any side of the enclosure or its cover with no restrictions on design. Utilizing a sound procedure, Stahlin can handle the most detailed requests quickly and to the highest quality standards in the industry. Stahlin Enclosure's ModRight program is designed to support customers in uncommon or complex applications where off-the-shelf solutions are not readily available. If you have a unique application requiring modifications, our fully staffed application engineering team will support you at every step of the way. Go to www.stahlin.com/modright today to get started on your ModRight journey.